In today's video, let me teach you on how to get 4K quality in CapCut. Having a 4K quality in your videos offers a much clearer and more detailed viewing experience than standard HD 1080p. So let's have a tutorial on how to export 4K quality. First, open CapCut in your device, then go over to the Editing tab. In here, let's create a new project by tapping the plus sign icon. Next, select the videos that you want to add on your project. Let's just select these videos. After that, tap on the Add button below to open the editing screen. Now you can make your necessary edits, attaching audio, adding some text, overlays, effects, caption, and other elements that you want to make your video unique. Once you're done editing the video and ready to render it, then simply tap on the drop-down menu above to adjust the resolution. Drag the slider below the resolution to 4K and then frame rate to 60 FPS. Now tap Export button above and wait for it to finish rendering your video. Once it is done, then you can check the video on your Photos app to make sure that the resolution is in 4K quality. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.